the sample files. So I click on that, and let's make a flyer. And I'm going to open up their Photoshop example here, and it brings up, this is our background we're going to be using. And what we're going to be creating is a sushi making class flyer that looks like a salmon roll. So we went and chose our file there. It's good to use layers. So I'm going to go ahead and layer this, or name this one. I'm actually going to name this one background. And then come down here and click new layer and label this one salmon. So for step 2, it says in order to start the sushi graphic, we have to select the rectangular marquee tool and drag it across the top portion of the board, as I'm showing you here. So that's okay. So it looks like that. And then now we're going to fill it with an orange color. So we make sure that our salmon layer is selected. And then going to go over to our swatches. They have different options. Let's see. So on their example, they had some swatches that automatically came up. I have not created that for my own. So I'm going to go over here to light. And I'm going to go ahead and screenshot that. But I'm going to select this one. And then do edit, fill. And then foreground color. There we go. And then I'm going to go to select, deselect, to deselect that. So then in order to do the side panel here, I'm going to take, make another layer, label it as seaweed, and then take my marquee tool here again and do this first section here, over here to the left, just to kind of give me an idea of how big I want it. I'm going to select black and then do layer, or do the so again, it's edit, fill, foreground color, click OK, and then it's select, deselect layers, deselect. Okay, so I can use my move tool since this is on its own layer. I can move it around where I need it to. So I'm going to set it up there. You can see those little magenta lines help you center it up. So there we go. And then we're going to add a text box to the design. They use BB New Regular. And so let's see if I still have that one. Go over to my text box, and then I can search TV. No matches are found, so I can do more from Adobe Fonts. Click over here and do BB. Oh, there we go. I didn't find that one either. Come over here to defont.com. I'm going to go ahead and get this and then save it for you guys. So I'll download that and put that in your options. But when I select that, I have to select it, do BB new regular, and then click on it, let's see, and do install. So now it'll be in there. So then I can go over here and type in BB new regular, and then that'll give me the font that I want. So in order to get the color font that we need, I'm going to select this and then select the light gray so that it matches. And then I'm going to go ahead and select a 30-point font before clicking here and typing Sushi. Hitting enter, making class 7 p.m. I'm going to select this, come over here to the top and center it. Use my move tool to center it up here, and then I'm selected again and make that 7 match my orange over here, my hair in the back. Go over here to color, making it darker than our orange. I'm gonna take that marquee tool again, go across here, and then do the edit, fill, foreground color, and click OK. Okay, so once we have it looking like this, we're going to need to be able to make the sushi little cross up here and then the lines. So we take our marquee tool. I can select it here. And I'm going to select a new layer and call it lines. I'm going to match the gray. And then it's going to be layer. Sorry, edit, fill, foreground color, and then select, deselect. Okay, and then do it again. Let me see. Copy and paste. And you can make this all even if you want. I'm just do the tutorial real quick for you. Those little magenta marks will help you kind of keep them even if you need it. Okay, And then we're going to take that marquee tool again.
This is how you place an image inside a shape in Photoshop. So obviously the first thing you need is a shape, which can be made by using the custom shape tool.
Okay, so we select that marquee tool. I'm going to use my eyedropper to select that orange and then do edit, fill, foreground color, and then select, deselect. Okay, see here, I kind of accidentally put them together. Undo that real quick. That's why it's good to have your different layers. So then on that layer, go and do my marquee tool again, and then do layer or edit, fill, foreground color, select, and deselect. I can rotate that, copy and paste. Let's see. And paste it and rotate it. And then now I have my little cross that they had. So that's roughly how you would do that. Let me know if you have any questions.